Swastiastu. Hello, I am Niwayan Karnavadani as the first author and other member of this article in ICLC 2024. With the title of the paper is Between War and Solidarity, an Analysis of the Preservation of the Mekring-Keringan Tradition, Community Integration in Central Banyuning Traditional Village. The four topics of this discussion in this research are the introduction, method, result and discussion, and conclusion.
The Islam of Bali is an Islam consisting of various districts that have various traditions, one of which in Buleleng district. Research focus is gaming tradition in the beginning of sub-district. These traditions are known as tradition of Mekring Keringan. Tradition of Mekring Keringan, this is said to be traditional game which is currently still being preserved. This tradition was pioneered by local teenagers by smearing their faces. There are several studies that will be used as problem formulation in this research related to the important meaning of the tradition dry up, form of solidarity as affiliate, the process implementing tradition dry up, and social control effort affect the implementation process.
The method is said is a qualitative method is a descriptive approach. The subjects of the research are local communities and customary clients. Data collection techniques are observation, interviews, and documentation.
The tradition of Mekring Keringan is used as a representation of Great to be the community in Banyuning village. This tradition is carried out every time there is a Pyodalan at Gedip Main Temple, precisely in Budeglewan Ugu. Based on history in the Gedip Main Temple, this is the place of the gods who are happy with art such as game, so this goes in Pyodalan, which was supposed to run for 3 days, but become 5 days, and existence of 2 days to carry out the tradition of Mekring Keringan. When viewed from the relationship with Mecolecolekan Endut soil in Banyuning village, the source of life comes from the soil such as making pedorite cracks for sale, so that in the tradition of Mekring Keringan, the element of soil is used because the community considers that the land is something very special.
Social solidarity is one of the theories of Emile Durkheim, which has the meaning that every social group in society will still exist and survive if a group is based on solidarity. Based on the result of interview, the aspect of solidarity is the tradition comes from the togetherness of the local community and is built to be in the form of ngayah skala and skala in ceremony at Gede Pemayun Temple. In addition, a form of solidarity was also seen when walking together to the game venue and walking to the Candi Kuning to do the cleaning. So that mechanical solidarity is in the community in Banyuning still maintain the tradition of drying relief. Organic solidarity is in the people who are beginning to adapt to the changing times but still participant in the implementation of tradition.
Based on the result of an interview with Mr. Nyoman Darwin as the traditional leader of Pura Gede Pemayun, who stated that efforts to social control the Mekring Keringan tradition should come from within the community itself. Social control in Mekring Keringan tradition is first, preventive social control efforts are carried out through the process of parent meeting regarding traditions, throughout which result in several rules, such as self-control, because this game has a lot of contact with the opposite sex. Second, repressive social control effort took supervision so that conflict does not occur in the game process. Curative social control effort, such as explain the concept of awareness and ngayah.
Conclusion. From the research conducted, it can be concluded that the tradition of Mekring Keringan is interpreted as a religious tradition to be preserved. The meaning of the tradition of Mekring Keringan religiously is gratitude before God Almighty because it has been given smoothness in the process of implementing the Grand Pyodalan at Gede Pemayun Temple, effort to control social in the tradition of drying leniency, namely preventive social control effort through the establishment of certain rules, such as regulation that participants are not allowed to enter the opal area when playing colek-colek adeng, preventive control effort through supervision, and curative control effort through paruman meeting to create peace. Thus, through this application, integration between community is formed.